Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use magnification to zoom in or zoom out in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on visibility enhancements and then scroll down to the end and here click on magnification. Now turn on this magnification shortcut, and now you can use 4 ways to turn on magnification or use magnification. So the first way is tap the accessibility button with the back key, and the second way is press and hold volume key and down key for 3 seconds, and the third way is press side key and volume up keys, and the fourth and last way is triple tap on the screen. So after that click on OK, and now to use magnifications just simply tap on this icon to use magnifications, and now you can use magnifications like this. And if you want to close this magnification, then again click on this icon and it will turn off that magnification square. And the second way is triple tap on the screen. So that's how you can use magnifications. So you can also use other 2 ways to use magnifications. So that's how you can use magnification to zoom in or zoom out in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.